Takot siya pag sabing anak ko pulis, takot siya Alam mo mga ito, ang dami na nga ginawang kalukuhan dito sa Canada. Mga scammer pa!
Activities in your account, so we put a hold to your transaction page. Press 1 now to report this transaction, or 2 to authorize this order.
Thanks for reaching Amazon. My name is Eric. How may I help you today?
Hello?
Yes.
What is my
How may I help
problem?
you, sir?
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, I got receive a call that I get 700. What is that? I can't understand.
Okay. I will make you understand. You have an Amazon account. You are using Amazon account, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And your registered mobile number is.
I don't think so. I can't remember my phone number.
Okay. You are not remember your phone number. Okay, I do understand. So the reason of this call is just confirming that we got some really suspicious activities on your Amazon account, sir. You have made a purchase for subscription for Amazon Prime is worth $749.99. And for the verification, you are receiving this call from the Amazon. Got it?
Oh, is this Amazon?
Yes, this is Amazon.
$700? That's too much.
This is a subscription for Amazon.
I don't subscribe any from the Amazon.
You haven't made this subscription?
No.
Alright, so can you just confirm me if there is anyone on behalf of you who's using your Amazon account?
I don't know. I just order some things in Amazon, but I don't subscribe from any Amazon. I get some orders from Amazon.
That's the reason, sir. That's the reason we are giving you this call for the verification. We got some really suspicious activities on your Amazon account. Understand?
Okay.
As I can see on my data that there is a lots of IP address from the different states from the United States trying to get registered on your Amazon account. So can you just tell me that? Have you remember that? Have you shared your Amazon login ID or password to anyone else
No.
from the Dayton, Ohio?
No, I just keep it by myself. I don't give it to other person my password and my username.
Alright, that means, sir, your Amazon account has been compromised by the third party. And as I can see on the data that you have added your card as well on the Amazon account, correct? So they are just trying to selling your money, sir.
Oh.
So right now, you don't need to be worried about that. You don't need to be worried. As you are a registered customer of Amazon, so we are here to help you out, okay? I will make sure that your Amazon account has been secure from the old problem. And I will help you to get back your refund as well. It's worth $749.99, okay?
Are you gonna help
Is
me?
that okay for you?
Are you gonna help me?
Yes, correct. So for the time being, I want you please do not log into your Amazon account right now because your account has been compromised by the online hacker from the United States. So first of all, I was just going to help you to connect it to secure server first. So can you just tell me in which device you basically use your Amazon account? You're using your Amazon account on your computer, laptop, or your mobile phone.
Are you calling from here in United States?
So I'm going to help you to fix the issue, secure your Amazon account and your personal information as well. So before that, you need to confirm me that which device you basically use your Amazon. Do you have a computer?
Oh, yeah, I got a laptop here.
Okay, so please open up your laptop. That one is Android. That is a Windows laptop or Apple laptop?
It's an Apple laptop.
Apple laptop. Okay, no need to be worried. Please turn on your laptop first. Okay.
Ito mga taong ito, pangit na nga ang ginagawa dito sa Canada. Mga scammer pa. Walang, I don't know. Ito mga taong ito, grabe.
So, can you just tell me your laptop is on right now? Have you turned on your laptop?
I have to find the cord so I can't connect my battery on this one.
Okay, so do you have another device with you? Any another computer, laptop, or a smartphone?
Yeah, I'm gonna ask my son. He's coming. He's a police here in US. Hey! He's a policeman.
Okay, no problem with that. Can you just get your phone with you so that I can help you further?
You got my phone number, right?
Hello, can you hear me?
You got my phone number.
Yes, we have your phone number is registered over here in your Amazon account.
Yeah, my son just coming. He's a police here in Ohio right now.
Okay, no problem.
He's gonna help me.
Sure.
It's okay.
Yeah, that is okay, no problem with that.
And I just wanna ask. Hello.
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. Why you guys scammer?
Sorry.
Why you guys scammer?
Huh?
Oh, pinatay niya. Takot siya eh. Pag sabing anak ko pulis, takot siya eh. Alam mo mga ito, ang dami na nga ginawang kalukuhan dito sa Canada. Mga scammer pa. Walang katigil-tigil dito sa scammer. Akala nila maisahan na ako. Never nyo akong ma-scam. Never nyo akong ma-scam. Mga scumbag kayo. Kala nyo ha. Anyway guys, start na ako ng pre-trip ko dahil dadrive na ako ulit ngayon.